Hey Jake, how is your work going?
It's going okay. I am a little busy.
I had my meeting.
How was it?
It was fine. It was not too hard.
That's good to hear.
Are you tired now?
A little, but I can manage.
So how Jake and Lily as they talk about their daily routine. They share simple conversations about work, lunch, rest, and sleep. By watching this video, you will learn easy English phrases you can use in your own daily life. It will help you understand how to talk about your day in a natural way. Fluent English practice. Waking up. Good morning, Jake.
Good morning, Lily.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept well. You?
I slept okay. I feel a little tired.
Mornings are always hard.
Yes, but we must wake up.
What time is it now?
It's 7 a.m.
Okay, time to get ready.
Do you want breakfast?
Yes, I want some toast.
I will make tea.
Thank you. I like hot tea in the morning.
Do you have any plans today?
Yes, I have work.
Okay, let's eat and start the day.
Yes, let's have a good day.
Getting ready.
I will brush my teeth now.
Okay, I will wash my face.
Do you know what to wear today?
I think I will wear a blue shirt.
Good choice. Blue looks nice on you.
Thank you, Jake. What about you?
I will wear my white t-shirt.
Are you taking your bag today?
Yes, I need my bag for work.
I need my bag too.
Do you have everything ready?
I think so. I have my phone and wallet.
Don't forget your keys.
Oh yes, thank you.
Are you ready to leave soon?
Almost. I will put on my shoes.
Okay, I will wait at the door.
I am ready now. On the way. Do we walk today?
Yes, it's a nice morning.
The air feels fresh.
Yes, I like mornings like this.
Do you feel sleepy now?
A little, but I am waking up.
Do you have a long day at work?
Yes, I have many tasks.
I hope your day goes well.
Thank you. What about your day?
I have a meeting.
I hope the meeting is easy.
I hope so too.
Do you want to stop for coffee?
No, tea was enough.
Okay, we are almost there.
Yes, just a few more steps.
Have a good day, Lily.
Midday routine. Hey Jake, how is your work going?
It's going okay. I am a little busy.
I had my meeting.
How was it?
It was fine. It was not too hard.
That's good to hear.
Are you tired now?
A little, but I can manage.
I am taking a short break.
I will take a break soon too.
Did you drink water?
Not yet. I will drink now.
Good. Stay healthy.
Thank you. Did you eat anything?
Not yet. I will eat at lunchtime.
Okay. Lunch will help you feel better.
Yes, I think so too.
Talk to you again later.
Lunch break. Jake, are you having lunch now?
Yes. I just sat down.
What are you eating today?
I am eating a sandwich. You?
I have rice and vegetables.
That sounds healthy.
Yes, I like light food at lunch.
Do you feel tired?
A little, but I feel okay now.
Lunch gives me more energy.
Do you have work after lunch?
Yes. I still have many things to do.
I hope your work goes smoothly.
Thank you. What about you?
I have another small meeting.
I hope it's easy for you.
Thank you, Jake.
Let's finish lunch and stay strong.
Evening routine. Jake, are you back home now?
Yes. I just arrived. You?
I am on my way home.
Was your day okay?
Yes, it was a little busy but fine.
My day was busy too.
Do you feel tired now?
Yes. I feel a little tired.
I want to rest for a while.
I will change my clothes first.
I will do that too when I get home.
Do you want to cook dinner later?
Yes, maybe something simple.
How about pasta?
Pasta sounds good.
Let's eat and relax after dinner.
Yes, maybe we can watch something.
That would be nice.
Night reflection. Jake, are you ready to sleep soon?
Yes, I am getting sleepy now.
Did you enjoy dinner?
Yes, the pasta was nice.
I feel relaxed now.
Me too. It was a long day.
Did you finish all your work?
Yes, I finished everything.
That's good. You can sleep peacefully.
Did you finish your tasks too?
Yes, I did. I feel happy.
That's great to hear.
Do you have plans for tomorrow?
Yes, I have a meeting.
I hope it goes well.
Thank you. Let's sleep now.
Yes. Good night, Jake.
Good night, Lily. Sweet dreams.